Your boss you a photo of a vast deep space abandoned factory and demands renovation proposals within 3 hours. You leverage AI to generate multiple design concepts. Your boss is stunned. Colleagues crowd around cheering, curious how you achieved this. Calm down. Open Convi. First click Canvas to start a new project and upload the original image. If the picture is blurry, click the plus icon, Image, High Definition Enlargement. Then hit Generate to get a high-resolution version. Next, explore creative variations. Let the AI agent generate style-specific prompts. Click plus, Image, paste the prompts. Select Gift Image 2 and generate. Repeat for different style renders to get your favorite one. You can also click text and add your prompt text as a prompt. Then select your favorite renderings or further iteration. Here I pick the kindergarten style render. Click plus, Image. In preset prompts, choose Imagine Perspective Transformation. Enable 9-grid generation, select the Smart channel and generate. Simple as that. Suppose you dislike the generated ceiling. Next to the kindergarten render, click plus, Image. Upload your reference image and link it to the generation box. Enter the prompt. Apply the ceiling from reference image 2 onto image 1. Select the Smart channel and generate. Crucial, enable element transfer for this feature. Practice this workflow on other renders to get the hang of it. Choose a satisfactory render plus an element reference image, and merge target elements seamlessly using the same steps. You can also create 9-grid outputs. Return to the kindergarten render. Click plus, Image, Image Editing, and you can directly produce various analytical diagrams from this render. Pretty great, isn't it? Super fast. The whole process is really fast, isn't it? In the AI area, Convi makes your design speed absolutely impeccable.